Don't throw away those leftover lemons at home. Today I'll teach you a magical trick. How to turn humble lemon slices into a fragrant miracle. Transforming forgotten fruit into a breeze of summer that fills your entire home with a sweet, refreshing citrus scent. Step 1. Juicy drama. Slice, squeeze, and sunbathe. Slice those extra lemons with flair, and squeeze every last drop of juice. Don't waste a single drop. Store that liquid gold. That's the secret to the grand resurrection later. Lay your lemon slices flat under the sun. Let them bask in a three-night solar spa treatment. As they slowly dry, their oils and sweetness concentrate. This sun-kissed stage is the soul of your future incense. Step 2. Pulverize to perfection. Lemon dust ceremony. Once they're crisp and dry, it's time to send them into the crusher. Grind them down until you have the finest lemon powder possible. Now comes the sacred sifting ritual. Whisper, fine, fine, finer with every pass through the sieve, until what you have is softer than a celebrity's setting powder. Inhale it, bright, tangy, and kissed by the sun. This is what real lemon fragrance smells like. Step 3. A recipe worthy of Chanel No. 5. Time to craft a blend that rivals luxury perfume. Bring out your digital scale. 4 grams of agar wood powder to ground the blend in warm richness. 2 grams of natural binder powder to bring it all together. Slowly add back that lemon juice from before, a few drops at a time. Knead gently, like you're sculpting a summer breeze, until the mixture becomes a soft, springy dough. This isn't just incense dough, it's citrus magic in your hands. Step 4. Squeeze the summer incense extrusion ritual. Load your fragrant dough into a syringe mold. Press firmly, and watch those perfect incense noodles emerge. It's more satisfying than popping bubble wrap. Each strand is a burst of sunshine. Don't be tempted to sun-dry them now. They must cure in a cool, shaded space for several days. Expose them to sunlight too early, and you'll end up with lemon-scented breadsticks. Don't say I didn't warn you. Step 5. Afternoon ritual. Light it. Feel the summer. Once fully cured, light one up on a quiet afternoon. Watch as a soft curl of smoke rises, a fusion of citrus brightness, subtle woodiness, and a whisper of warmth. Close your eyes. You're suddenly in a garden kissed by the wind, with sunlight dancing through leaves and the hum of cicadas in the background. It's not just a scent, it's a memory of summer made real. Lemons aren't just for detox water. They can light up the spirit of your whole home. Incense isn't just about fragrance. It's about reweaving the texture of life.